Okay, here is how you can add a shadow in Canva. First, we are focusing on a text. Write down your text, select your style font, and click on the top toolbar on effects. Now you have the selection of different styles. We just want to focus on the shadow tool right now. Click on it and you can see the shadow is added directly. Now you have the possibility to set the offset to another value, so the shadow has more distance to your original text. The direction of the shadow, the blur, and on the bottom you are able to affect the transparency of the shadow. Down here you are able to choose another color for the shadow, for example blue or yellow. So that's it for the text. If you want to select to add a shadow to, for example, a person, click on the back remover first and then on edit. On edit you are able to choose different tools again. Now we want to go to effects again, and the first option is shadows. Now you have the possibility to choose different shadows, for example, the outline, the drop shadow, or just glowing around the whole person. For every shadow style, you are also able to adjust the shadow. So I hope this little tutorial how to add a shadow in Canva was helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to not miss the next Canva tutorial. On the right you can see the next video, which is also helpful for your Canva journey.